As respiratory infectious diseases have entered a period of high incidence amid dropping temperatures, medical authorities across China have coordinated medical resources and taken multiple measures to meet the increasing demand for medical treatment. The National Health Commission has urged medical institutions to extend their outpatient reception hours, add available outpatient service numbers, expand consultation rooms and diagnosis and treatment areas in hospitals, and set up nighttime and weekend outpatient departments according to the medical treatment needs of their children patients. Meanwhile, Chinese health authorities are actively monitoring and assessing winter respiratory diseases, with efforts underway to optimize medical resource allocation, improve medical treatment processes. Earlier this month, the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention released a health advisory recommending influenza vaccination in response to a winter surge in respiratory diseases. China's meteorological authorities renewed an orange alert for a cold wave Thursday evening. It is the most severe warning in its three-tier warning system, forecasting temperature drops in most parts of the country.